My name is Kim Gaither. I drive a school bus for Mumford Elementary, Middle School, and High School. The kids get on at 6:30 in the morning and they're getting dropped off at 4 in the afternoon, so it has to be a very long day for them. Our school district participates in Rolling Study Halls, a program provided by Google, which has fitted several buses on Talladega County with Wi-Fi devices and an onboard educator. As a parent, I know having the Rolling Study Hall is just one more tool that's just going to push these kids in the right direction and in the right road to succeed.